Jollibee para ano? Jollibee para
Opo. Sit down muna, sit down.
okay? Guys, everybody, stand up muna tayo. Let us sing a birthday song kay Ate Christine. Okay, ready? Listen to the music, kids. Come on. Everybody, clap your hands, kids. Come on. Come on, everybody. Come on. 1, 2, 3, go. Come on. Happy birthday to you. Make it louder, kids. Happy birthday to you. One more. Happy birthday to you. Come on. Happy birthday to you. Make it louder, kids. Come on. Okay, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Make it faster naman. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay. Okay, everybody make it louder. Happy birthday, Christine. One more. Happy 5th birthday, Christine. Everybody clap your hands naman sa ating birthday celebration. Thank you so much. Dahil dyan, Ate Christine, i-blow mo na yung candle mo. But, before you blow your candle, close your eyes muna and make a wish muna. Close your eyes muna. Close. Ayan, close muna. Ayan, okay? Okay na ba? Nakapag-wish ka na? Ate Christine, okay na daw siya. Okay, dahil dyan, ready na tayo for the blowing the candle. Come on. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Blow your candle na, Ate Christine. Paisa. Alright, isa pa.
Clap your hands!
Alright, everybody clap your hands naman kay Ate Christine. Kids, come on. Okay, picture. Okay. Class picture. No. Okay.
Kita.
Jollibee, isuga muna dyan.